what we are seeing, and we've seen it in industry after industry after industry. We've seen it when it comes to the airports. We've seen it when it comes to infrastructure. We've seen it when it comes to power. We've seen it when it comes to telecom. We've seen it when it comes to retail. Across the board, what we are watching is the development of massive monopolies in this country. What do I mean? I mean that 3, 4, 5 people are now owning this country. This country is now owned by a limited, small group of people who I term as crony capitalists, who have a close relationship with the Prime Minister and who provide the Prime Minister with media support. And I don't mean you, because you are not the decision makers. I mean the forces that control you. Which was the space that was protected from monopolies until now? First of all, the biggest business in this country, and this is something that youngsters have to understand, the biggest business in this country is agriculture. 60% of our people are in agriculture, and in terms of the value, agriculture is by far the biggest hit. Agriculture is not just what the farm grows. Agriculture is the machinery that moves that produce. Agriculture is the structure of how that produce is sold. And now what we are seeing is the last bastion that was protected from monopoly is now being overrun. How is it being overrun? 3 new laws have been passed. They are designed to destroy Indian agriculture. How are they designed to do it? By destroying the Mandi, by destroying the Essential Commodities Act, and by making sure that no Indian farmer can go to court to protect himself.